Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about cryptocom, Tectonic, talk a little bit about Bitcoin, as well as just kind of what's really going on in the overall macroeconomics of the world in the traditional market, and so on and so forth. So let's talk about this, guys. We are at 7,260 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. At 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away this loaded lion NFT, which is worth about $2,500. Super excited to give this away. More giveaways to come. Let's keep going, guys. All right, so the overall market right now is doing pretty well. I mean, we have not come below that 21,600, which is my key price level for Bitcoin. And as long as we stay above that key price level, I'm gonna say it how I see it. It's bullish continuation. It's bullish continuation, and we're staying pretty steady above it. We touched it. We'll take a deeper look at the Bitcoin chart later on in the video, but we did touch it, but we didn't break below it, and we especially didn't get any weekly candle closes below it, and that's the most important thing. The weekly candle close is coming in a couple of days, but we didn't get a weekly candle close, which is very, very important, guys. Very, very important. All in all, the market is just consolidating right now. We've seen Ape, some meme coins pumping really hard. Binance is pumping a little bit, up about 1%. I mean, all in all, we're consolidating, guys. So let's look over. I want to give a quick update on Tectonic, actually, because I pulled up this chart and I was just seeing my previous lines I drew, and I just thought it was pretty curious to look back. And, we had this breakdown out of this. It was honestly a fake out to the upside, and we broke straight through this. This was just a big when we were collapsing from FTX, but we came down here and look at that. We ripped and roared. I mean, with these small market cap coins, there's just so much volatility. It's absurd. This is the 4 hourly we're looking at right now, but you may ask, Blacksea, is right now a good time to enter into Tectonic? And I would tell you, maybe with some caution. If we see a little bit of a resumption off this right here, this is kind of some support right here. Kind of. I mean, it's very small. It's very, very small level of support. I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down here to the level of 6 zeros at 1466. But as of right now, if you truly believe in Tectonic, just accumulate. I mean, you can't accumulate as much as you want because they have buy limits on it because it's such a small market cap coin. But accumulate DCA if you truly believe in it. I personally am not going to be buying right now. I would look for a retest right here. But that's not financial advice. But that's just my 2 cents on it. So let's talk about CRO Coin, guys. So right now on CRO Coin, we have broken down out of this ascending triangle here. And since we've broken out, really my next testing point here is 0.0693 cents. Or emphasis on this, guys, I do see a probability and possibility of us coming back up without even making it to this level right here at 0.068 cents because we are staying pretty sturdy at above 21,600 on Bitcoin. So that being said, don't be surprised if this is a little fake out and we come back up here. Don't be surprised at all. But guys, if you do want to enter a trade, use one of our links down below to Femex, BitGet, or Binance. All you need to do is sign up, deposit, open a trade, and you can get up to $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet and a $4,600 sign-up bonus with Femex and a $600 bonus with Binance, guys. All you got to do is sign up, deposit, and do some trades. It's some crazy money. I mean, leverage trade at your own risk, guys, but that is a tool for you to use down below. But, guys, all in all, we're still doing so well. This whole channel between the 10-cent and 5.5-cent range is just a fantastic accumulation zone, really. And just seeing a little breakdown out of this, I mean, sure, you could short this down here as a breakout trade, but I would just put some caution to it. Just put some caution to it because Bitcoin is holding up relatively well right now. And the Federal Reserve is starting to talk pretty dovish, and there's money flow coming into CRO right now on the daily chart. It's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. But don't be alarmed by a little bit of downside action, especially after such a massive run up. I mean, we peaked out at a 58% increase on CRO Coin from the bottom, guys. It's fantastic. And now we're down what? 10% maybe? Yeah, 10.47%. It's nothing, guys. It's healthy. It's healthy. All right, so let's go over the S&P 500 a little bit because this is something we need to check on every day, guys, because we are getting this breakout right here out of this formation here to the upside. Risk on asset rally is engaged right there. I mean, we're as long as we keep getting this bullish continuation on the S&P 500 to the upside, and we start making some higher lows here. Ooh, it's going to be really, really good for Bitcoin. It's going to be Blacksea's going to be licking his lips. It's going to be very, very nice because unfortunately, whether you like it or not, crypto, Bitcoin, CRO Coin, all of your favorite altcoins are attached and have correlation to the S&P 500. So do keep that in mind, guys. Love it or hate it, it's a great indicator to watch. But I mean, I see this happening. I see that starting to happen with the S&P 500, which is a very, very exciting thing. As long as we don't get this is a fake out, but I think it's a little bit. I think it's too late to be a fake out. I think we're going to continue to have these weekly candle closes in the green, and sure there might be some little sideways consolidations on the S&P 500 in the meantime, but leading up to we're in a data-driven market, guys. I mean, leading up to Jerome Powell saying something ridiculous randomly, but he's been dovish. He's dovish. He's talking about how this year is going to be all about inflation coming down, and I think it's going to be kind of a healthier year than 2022. But let's look over at Bitcoin, guys, because I was looking at this earlier, and I measured this move, and I wanted to show you this, guys. I thought this was quite interesting. I want to measure from the bottom of the 2017, basically 2019 market when the bear market bottomed out. I want to measure to just before all these hiking to sheet candles. This green from here from when was this from? This was from March 2019, the 1st of March to the 1st of August 2019. And this move right here was very, very intriguing, guys. If I can measure this for you guys. Here we go. This move is very intriguing. Let's copy that and put it over here. If that were to happen, something similar to that, and we are doing something similar to that right now, guys, that would be a 200% move, and that would bring us up to about the $42,000 level, leading into the next Bitcoin halving. And I do think that that is very possible. Maybe with some diminishing returns, maybe that brings us to 35K. Now the real question is, what does that mean for CRO Coin? $35,000 Bitcoin, let's say by May. What does that mean for CRO Coin? I think that means that we're testing the levels of 50 cents and we're on our way to $1. I really see that happening, guys. And I think that this is a very probable thing to happen. And I honestly think that it could go even higher because I don't think we're going to have a pandemic dump like we had back here in 2019. I mean, it's a black swan event. Black swan events can happen. They wouldn't be black swan events if they were predictable. But I don't think we're going to have something like that happening in the rest of the year. I really don't. I think that it's going to be kind of a tame year based on the previous year. It would be very, very difficult, let's be honest, knock on wood, for having something like 2022 again in the crypto space and in the traditional market. I think that this is very, very possible to happen here like this, to bring us up to the 42,000, and like I said, with diminishing returns, maybe 35,000, and then that brings us on our way to $1 CRO Coin, and that's really, really exciting. I know for all of us. I mean, I've been accumulating for a long time, guys, a long time. It'd be very, very nice to bring us back to $1, and but I do think that $35,000 Bitcoin by May, we're definitely going to be trading above. I don't like talking in definites, but the probability of us trading above the 32 cents to the 50 cent range is very, very likely. Very, very likely, especially with how CRO Coin, crypto.com has succeeded so well throughout all this ridiculous amount of FUD, guys. Very, very exciting. Guys, if you stuck around this far, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, please consider becoming a member to the channel. All you got to do is go to our homepage and click join, or in the description box below, there's a link to click join as a member. And we have tons of different perks. We have a private Discord with CryptoKip and I. You get NFT whitelist spot giveaways, NFT alpha, as well as trade signals, And on top of that, it's just more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, and we just like to be able to talk one-on-one with you guys. We're going to be doing a lot of fun stuff on the Discord, so please consider becoming a member. And on top of that, each month you are a member, you also get an additional 10 free entries to winning this loaded line NFT, guys. Super excited to give this away. There's many more giveaways to come, but that's all I got, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.